Hey everybody, I'm Josh Barkey from MBRP. Excited to show you our new C8 Active exhaust today. Some great features on it that I want to run through with you right now. Now this exhaust is made of T304 stainless steel, so the top of the line, best of the best. And we've done some very creative things here to ensure this is a true 3-inch exhaust all the way through and no shortcuts going down to 2.5. So what we've done after coming off the catalytic converters is we've gone into an X and then come into our pie cut bends here. Now what we've done is taken a straight piece of tube, laser cut it so that it can fold in on itself like a pie cut and create some very tight angles without making the tube out of shape. Now flow is extremely high on these. Obviously, even in quiet mode, we want to keep performance up. So we've got small, high flowing mufflers in here that quiet down when you're on quiet mode. And then we've got a big 3-inch straight pipe coming out to 4 beautiful carbon fiber tips out the back. Let's get the bumper put back on this thing. Let's take it outside. We'll show you what it sounds like. We're all done with the install. Bumper is back on. This thing's ready to be fired up. I can't wait to hear what it sounds like and show you guys both the race and the street modes. Let's do that.